Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn a handy skill that will help you navigate those oops moments on WhatsApp. Yes, we are talking about editing WhatsApp messages. I am your digital bee. All right, now let's get into it. First thing first, open your WhatsApp and select the chat with the message you want to edit. Now, you might already know how to delete a message, but that only removes it from your end. Editing, on the other hand, lets you make corrections without anyone knowing you've done it. Imagine you just sent a message with a typo like this one. Let's fix it. What you need to do now is tap and hold on the message you want to edit. You'll see a pop-up menu with options. Select Edit. Now the magic happens. The message will open up in the edit box, allowing you to change anything you want to change. Type in the correct word or phrase and hit send. There you go. The message is now corrected and no one will know you made an edit. But here's a pro tip. Always double check before you send. And if you are still unsure, use the edits feature to make sure your message is just right. Now, what if you want to clarify something you said earlier? That's where editing comes to the rescue again. Just follow the same steps. Tap and hold the message, select Edit, make your changes, and hit send. It's that simple, right? Now you can fix typos, clarify messages, or even add more information without any worries. And that's a wrap. You are now a pro at editing WhatsApp messages. Remember, it's all about making communication smoother and more effective. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, happy chatting!